The diminutive but mighty 2026 Suzuki Samurai is a favorite among off-road enthusiasts. The urban and wild fighter recharges for combat. You may remember the 2026 model's retro style and angular upright physique. Updating the original, the blacked-out grille and spherical LED headlights bring attention to the rough, square front fascia. Slightly more robust bumpers come equipped with fog lights, tow hooks, and steeper pitch angles. Straight, strong, square wheel arches characterize Samurai's stance. Mounted on elevated 17-inch ATV tires, the SUV rocks, off-road, factory-powered. The 2026 Samurai's practical yet understated cabin is resistant to wear and tear as well as dirt and dust. Any rider, whether on the trail or in town, will appreciate this vehicle's cutting-edge features, including its rubberized flooring, water-resistant upholstery, and ergonomic dashboard design. An 8-inch touchscreen located in the center of the dashboard that features Suzuki's newest infotainment system, one that is lightning-fast, intuitive, and compatible with gloves, as well as wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Digital readouts on the steering wheel indicate off-road attitude, pitch, and roll. There are large, tank-shaped climate controls that are easy to use even in the worst of weather. The 2026 Samurai's 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 gives out 145 HP and 180 Newton-meters of torque. Modern chassis feature a lightweight ladder frame design. Because of its low gearing, four-wheel drive, and power-to-weight ratio, the Samurai horse is incredibly powerful. Clean and simple are 6-speed automatics and 5-speed manuals. Now, even lengthy highway trips are more comfortable thanks to improvements in suspension, articulation, and damping. You should think about the 2026 Suzuki Samurai for any situation. This is meant for drivers, not for timid price algorithms. Its manual transmission variant, priced at $22,000, is among the most affordable, authentic off-road sedans. For $25,000, you can get the mid-range trim with an automatic gearbox, a premium roof rack, and an upgraded infotainment system. Trail Pro Edition features aggressive off-road tires, skid plates, LED auxiliary lights, and locking differentials for less than $30,000. Experience a seamless and unfettered journey in the 2026 Suzuki Samurai. That makes me long for the days of driving around in my trusty car full of freedom and adventure. Poland is a country that is both modernizing and preserving its cultural heritage. Even a tiny off-roader has reason to be pleased.